And with this continuing heat wave, sometimes staying inside is easier said than done, especially for people who like to exercise outdoors. 22 News Storm Team meteorologist Nick Bannon looked into the danger of exercising in these sweltering conditions.
Well, for those of you that really love exercising outside, a heat wave can really interrupt your workout plans. It may look tempting, but exercising during the hottest part of the day can be dangerous and even deadly. Exercising in these hot temperatures and high humidity puts extreme stress on your body. That stress can turn into heat rash, heat stroke, and even death. Many people are avoiding the danger.
I've just been laying low, just sitting down, drinking like some water, just chilling on the porch. I really don't go out to the sun because it's too hot.
Yet, 22 News still found some people running through Forest Park in the middle of the day. Exercising in a mini heat wave can be tough enough on your body, but when you get an extended heat wave, the negative effects on your body can be worse. Dr. Matthew Sadoff at Bay State Medical Center has seen a recent increase in fatigue and dizziness cases due to the extended heat.
With each passing day, your body doesn't completely recharge at the end of the day in the middle of a heat wave. So with each day, your body becomes less and less able to deal with the intense heat.
Dr. Sadoff told 22 News that exercising in the heat is so risky that it's better for your health to avoid exercise completely rather than doing strenuous activity on these toasty afternoons. Now, if you do have to exercise outside, it's best to do it in the early morning hours or well into the evening when the temperatures are much cooler. And of course, whenever you exercise, don't forget to hydrate. Live in Chicopee, meteorologist Nick Bannon, 22 News.